welcome back to my channel. So by the title you already know that today I'm going to show you my full coverage foundation routine. So let's begin. So the first thing you need is to apply a primer. So here I'm using a Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer. This primer will blur my pores and also it will help me to achieve a matte look. And also this will help to last my foundation much longer. So and now I'm going to use a foundation, and for full coverage foundation I chose the Kat Von D Lock It Tattoo foundation. This foundation is a full coverage foundation and also it will give you a full matte finish look. And if you're using this foundation you have to be very careful because it dries out really fast, so you have to work section by section. So here I'm applying my foundation little by little, so it will help me to blend the foundation much more smoother. If you apply all over the face first the foundation and then if you are going to blend it, then it will be really difficult because it will set on your skin very fast. So try to apply little by little. And for a full coverage look I'm using the MAC Pro Longwear concealer, and this concealer is my 3 shade lighter than my skin tone, so it will help to highlight my face. And always remember to use a damp sponge to apply your cream or liquid product, so it will be blend much more nicely, much more smoothly. And I'm applying this concealer under my eye area, bridge of my nose, a little bit on my forehead and my chin, and this way it will highlight my center part of my face. And don't worry, right now my face will look much more lighter than my skin tone, natural skin tone, but after finishing all the stuff I will do some bronzing and contouring and it will look good at the end, trust me. So no matter what type of skin you have, you definitely need to set your face with some powder. And if you do that, your foundation will last for a long time and it will give you a much flawless finish. So don't forget to set your face with some powder. This is really important. small tip for you. If you're scared of applying a bold color or nude color, so first thing you have to do is apply a dark lip liner. Then on top of that, you're gonna add your nude lipstick or the bold color you want, and this way it will look good and not look weird. So this is a small tip for you. Now the last step, to set everything on your face, you have to apply a makeup setting spray of your choice, and it will help your makeup to last a very long time, and it will keep all the makeup in place. And that's it guys, that's the finished look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's tutorial, and if so, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Till then, have fun, and wishing you all a happy and healthy new year. Bye bye.